December 24th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I've got another video for you, and we're going to make a green bean casserole here real quick. Won't take very long. I'm going to show you how to do it, so hold on, guys. Okay, guys, what you're going to need is 1 can of cream of mushroom. You're going to need 2 cans of cut green beans of your choice. Now, I take these green beans and I strain them, and then I wash them off. Each can is what I do. So, I mean, they have been rinsed there. And then you're also going to need some of this good old crispy fried onions in there, too. Now, that's going to be about 3 ounces. And then you're going to put the other on top. So, hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Now, on these fried onions, that's about a 6-ounce deal. What I do, I put about three-fourths of the container in there is what I do. So that'd be about 4 ounces, okay? And then you're pretty much done. You can cook it that way, and then you don't have to go back and retop. That's the way I do it. So hold on. Oh yeah, guys, one other thing. Don't forget the milk. I had my cup of milk in there already measured out there. And you got to have 2/3, basically a cup of milk mixed with that. So hold on. Okay, guys. And we're going to put it in there. And it's going to be, we're going to cook it for about 25 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. And I'll show the finished product in part 2. Have a good one.